Welcome to this special video blog post on SB Components' upcoming Raspberry Pi Pico Learning Kit. We'll be walking you through all the components and learning support they'll be offering with their new device. At the heart of the Picoder is the Raspberry Pi Pico W, which is a removable microcontroller, meaning it can be upgraded when newer models come out. This device is embedded in the plastic case and comes with a variety of components to make a complete, all-in-one learning platform. Let's dive into the components of the package. You'll be getting a half-sized breadboard, a LCD screen, an 8x8 RGB LED matrix, a light-dependent resistor, a BME 280 temperature, pressure, and humidity sensor, an HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, an RFID reader, a buzzer, 4 buttons, 2 LEDs, a potentiometer, a servo, and 2 relays, as well as a hat breakout and a USB-C power input. What really sets this kit apart from others like it are the components. The LCD screen and the RFID module are not commonly found in such learner kits, making it perfect for advanced users. But the most interesting and arguably the most important part of this project is the learning support. SB Components is offering free, live training sessions with experienced instructors. So you'll be able to get personalized guidance and support as you explore the world of coding. We do not know the exact date when this project will officially launch or how much it will cost, but you can expect the crowdfunding campaign to go up on Kickstarter soon. We'll be sure to update you with more information as it becomes available. Thank you for joining us for this special video blog post on the new Raspberry Pi Pico Learning Kit. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the kit and the learning support. Make sure to like and share this video if you found it helpful. Remember, crowdfunded projects are not guaranteed to be successful, so if you choose to back this project, make sure to do your research and only invest what you can afford. Until next time. Thanks for watching.